I will never be able to understand your pain. And you will never be able to understand my pain. It'll never happen. Every situation is unique. Every heart is unique. Every ache is unique. And the only one who truly understands the pain that you're going through is Allah. The only one who will truly understand what you're going through and sympathize with you like no one else is capable of sympathizing with you. Even the best of your friends is going to be Allah. I know something from Allah that you people don't know. I know that Allah knows me the way you can never know.
Always remember this, with every single challenge, Allah will open a door. With every single difficulty, Allah will bring some kind of ease. It'll come along with it. Allah doesn't just send difficulty, He sends difficulty with ease together. It's like a two-item package that's delivered. So powerful and so beautiful that when you and I are going through a difficulty, we know for a fact there's an ease associated with it. It's not eventually it'll come. It's already come with it. It's just, you're going through the pipeline right now and it's gonna...
If you have a weak iman, if you have weak faith and you're like, how can I strengthen my faith? I tell you, Quran is enough. If you have a hard time fighting your temptations, you have a disease in your chest, you have a hard time killing old bad habits, Quran is enough. فِيهِ شِفَاءٌ لِمَا فِي الصُّدُورِ. It has healing for what lies in the chest. You haven't given it a chance. You've underestimated the power that it has to change you into something far better than what you are now, to transform you completely. Subhanallah.
And we create standards that don't exist in our religion and don't make any sense. You have 3 daughters, 4 daughters, somebody proposed for the younger daughter and no proposal came for the older daughter. No, we go in order. Who said you go in order? Which Sharia? If there's a good blessing that came to your home for whichever age, why would you deny it? What will people say? What will Allah say when you explain yourself to Him and say, I deprived my daughter of a good nikah because it wasn't in order? What will you say to Allah? You tell me that. What are you going to do? Ridiculous. This nonsense needs to stop. Marriage needs to be made easy. It will make you strong. Never let go of the prayer. Even if you're not feeling it, you pray. Even if you're getting lazy, you pray. Even if you don't feel like it, you pray. Even if your heart isn't in it, you pray. Because if you let go of the prayer, you have become the weakest and weakest and weakest.